Welcome to our video on different gardening styles. If you're looking to improve your gardening skills and get the most out of your garden, then you're in the right place. I have already created short videos regarding these different gardening styles, but having a longer video where we discuss all of them is helpful too. First, let's talk about permaculture gardening. This style of gardening is based on the principles of sustainability and mimicking natural ecosystems. In permaculture gardening, we use companion planting, natural pest control, and other methods to create a garden that is self-sufficient and in harmony with nature. Next, we have polyculture gardening. This style of gardening involves growing multiple types of plants together in the same space. By planting different types of plants with complementary needs, polyculture gardening can lead to a more productive and resilient garden. No-dig gardening is a style that involves, as the name suggests, minimal digging and disturbance of the soil. This method can help to retain moisture in the soil, improve soil structure, and promote the growth of beneficial microorganisms. Finally, let's talk about succession planting. This method involves planting a series of crops in the same space over the course of a season. By planting a succession of crops, you can ensure a continuous harvest and make the most of the space in your garden. Each of these gardening styles has its own unique benefits and can be used to create a more productive and sustainable garden. By combining different styles, you can create a garden that is tailored to your needs and the needs of the plants. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, please let me know if you have any questions and I'll try to create a new video around that topic so we can share the knowledge with others too.